Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2019 Ram 1500 Sport. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks fantastic. It does have that Ram badging up front there with your lights right there. They are very bright. You also got your fog lights down there, and you do have your parking sensors there as well, keeping you nice and safe. You do also have Bridgestone brand tires with your 20-inch rims. They look awesome. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signal, and they are the tow mirrors, so they can just fold up like that. Then you can see even farther back if you did need to. We do have our running boards along the bottom, and coming around to the back of the vehicle, you have your 5-foot box back here. You have the 4x4 badging as well as the Sport, and your parking sensors back here with the dual exhaust pipes. Backup cameras hanging out right there, and we can open it up just right there. Lets down nice and soft. There is lots of snow in there, but it is a 5-foot box, as I said, with the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got a remote start and our panic there, and if it is locked, you do have the proximity keyless entry, so you just gotta put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, a handle here, and some storage here and here. It looks awesome in here, very spacious, and the seats with the cloth and leather are very comfortable. You do have your control over your seats here, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support there. And then over here we got the controls over lights, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights there. Then we got our in-cabin light control right here, and then we got our parking brake and the control over the pedals there. And then up here we got the controls over our turning signals, windshield wipers, and our high beams. Let's start her up here, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there, it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 8,081. That is pretty much nothing. You can switch that around from your speedometer to your vehicle info. You also have your fuel economy, trip info, trailer tow options, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Then you do also have your start right there. You got your gear shift down here with your control over your 4-wheel auto, 2-wheel, low and high, and then when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera hanging out right there. It looks awesome. So you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display up here with Uconnect, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through your disc, USB. You also have your Bluetooth and aux cord. You got your climate control over here, and it is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different temperatures. You also have your Uconnect apps right here. There is all sorts of different stuff in there. Then you also have your settings or your controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel. You got your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your settings right there. Now down here we do have the volume up and down with the power, mute, hazard lights, screen off, and the browser there. You have the temperature control here and here. Then you have your heated seats and heated steering wheel, your circulation, your power, mode, and your front and rear defrost. And then down here we do have the trailer brake. We have our traction control, tow and haul mode, and our park sensors. CD player here. And then over here you do also have your aux cord plugins. You have your cup holders here and some storage in there. This guy does slide back, and you do have a place to put your phone and lots of room down there. You can also fold this guy up right here, and you got a top and the bottom layer. Lots of room in there. And then over here we do have this guy, which is the top layer for our glove box, and the bottom layer. And then up top you do have the control over the window in the back and your lights. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. It looks awesome back here. It is incredibly spacious. Looks fantastic. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. You can fold that guy down. You do have another, you have some cup holders under there. You can fold these guys up, and you got some storage underneath there, as well as you do have some aux cord some USB plugins right over here, a place to charge your phone. And then underneath here you do have your bins for extra storage. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2019 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.